Hello everyone and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this crisscross crochet hairstyle. If you guys are interested in how you too can achieve this hairstyle, you guys know that all you have to do is just stay tuned. Now, would it be a true Kayla's Corner video if I did not start the video off looking a mess? I don't think so, but we're going to get right into it. Hair is stretched out, did not blow dry it, but I did pre-part and stretch it. I'm just going to go ahead and perfect my middle part using this even braid formula. This stuff is amazing. Love, love, love it over jam. Will never ever use jam again on my hair, but yeah, I'm just going in and perfecting my part.
Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
When doing this hairstyle, I definitely suggest that you leave some baby hairs out because you do not want the rubber bands grabbing and pulling everything, okay? Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and divide this big section into two. Just for reference, I did have 4 big sections, but now I'm dividing this one into 2 so that I can create the crisscross pattern.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly.
So I only did 2 boxes in each section because I feel like the bigger the boxes, the less harsh the rubber bands are on your hair. So only 2 sections for me, and I'm going in and just slicking these sections down with that even braid formula.
Give me a really good feeling. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Now I'm going in with Creamer Nature's Twisting Cream just to give my hair some moisture. Going to detangle, and now we're going to make the little crisscrosses. So I feel like this part is kind of self-explanatory, but yeah, you just twist the hair and then make sure that you're twisting that back one in the same motion, just so that the crisscrosses are tight. You don't want them to be loose and, you know, things like that.
Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. You can take my hand. I promise we'll fall up.
As y'all can see, my scalp is red, honey. But bada bing, bada boom, we are done with the front.
I promise we'll find love again.
And for the back, I'm just going to braid it in that connecting motion. I don't know what they call that braid pattern, but I do this for a lot of my hairstyles, and I didn't show you all it because I have a video on it already, and I'll link that video in the cards so that you all can see it in detail if you'd like.
Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone is waiting on enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me.
This is the little pattern that I was referring to. If you do hair for a living or know what this pattern is called, leave a comment down below so that I can know. This is the hair that I'm using. Outrace Expressions Passion Water Wave 2. 22 inches supposedly, but y'all, I cut this hair in half and I promise you it was still about 30 inches. This is me cutting it in half because I started to crochet it and the hair was past my butt. So as y'all know, I said I cut the hair in half, but I didn't want it to be too short. So what I did was basically just looped it over my finger a little bit, and that's why you see that little bit of hair hanging out. But I think it worked out perfectly and it was the right amount of length. So just had to make sure that I was holding on to that small part so that it didn't go through the loop, if that makes sense. So here we go. Put the crochet needle through your hair. Wrap the hair around your finger a little bit and put it on the loop. Pull that through. Not all the way though. And then you're gonna knot the hair, making sure that you're holding on to both of those pieces, the long piece and the short piece. Typically, if you fold it directly in half, the pieces would be even. But like I said, I did not fold it directly in half because I didn't want the hair to be too short. So showing you all one more time, going to be putting the hair around the crochet needle, pulling that through, not all the way through, and I'm going to be knotting this 3 times. The thing that I do love about this curly hair is that the knots are not bulky, so it kind of looks like the hair is coming from your scalp once you get toward the front.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
Alright you guys, so that concludes the video and this hairstyle. Very easy. It did take me longer than what I expected it to take. It took about 4 hours. But nevertheless, a very easy and simple hairstyle. Love the way it turned out. Love the curl pattern of this hair. I'm hoping that I can get at least a week's worth of wear out of it. I'm pretty sure I will be able to. The only thing I have to say about this hair is that it is really long. Like, they said this was 22 inches and I cut it. So, like, look, and it stretches further. Like, when stretched out before I cut it, it probably passed my butt. So I think it means 22, like with the curl, but even then, this feels like 22 inches to me. So the hair is really long. So what I did, obviously you guys saw me cut the hair in half and just used it like that. But anyway, really love this hairstyle. If you guys decide to try this hairstyle out, leave a comment down below and let me know how it goes. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see and talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.